today, I would like to introduce our friend and very respected guest from Hong Kong. He's a very famous educator in his field of the gifted education. Gifted education, as you understand, for the children who are gifted in some ways, gifted in different domains and different areas, etc. He has a very long-standing experience in this field and working in different areas, in different countries and so on. He's a chief principal of the network of schools in Hong Kong, rather geared for the gifted students, and he's also founding president of an association of professionals for the gifted education. His name is Dr. Professor Patrick Lam. Professor Patrick Lam, let's welcome him. And we would like to say a few words about the importance of essays and also how the essay should be written. So I would like to give him floor without further much saying about it. Please.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Patrick. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's my greatest pleasure to be here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Right. So it's my greatest honor to be here, especially I know that it's an essay competition and then you're a great writer. That is wonderful, wonderful. And in Hong Kong nowadays, and also when I visit a lot of parts of the world, like United States, UK, New Zealand, because I also work in New Zealand, and also Australia and Singapore, a lot of countries. And these days, we have got a very, very big debate, because in school, some teachers and even some parents say that we don't need to learn to write, because we have got AI. So that's why it's useless to learn how to write, and especially essay. AI can generate good essay, isn't it? Yes, some note you had, some wave. Now, to be honest, we have a good understanding about this issue, because first of all, we have to decode what is writing, and then what is language. Right. Now remember, we have got, some people, surviving in this area and also in different part of the world, date back 20,000 years ago, right? At that time, they didn't have any language, right? Languages usually, develop, about approximately 2,000 to 3,000 years ago when they have got some written words, right? So that, they can store their wisdom. They can pass through, from generation to generation about their wisdom. Right? Some information, knowledge, but more importantly, is the wisdom that they can, share, and also is for communication. Now that is language, right? So if we understand this is language, and then we really need to celebrate language as the beauty of our civilization. Imagine that, with that language, we cannot understand each other. You do not understand what I'm talking about, right? So that's why language, has got life in it, and there is a very, very rich substance into it. It also clarifies our thoughts, our values, right? That is language. So that's why a person with good language skills means that they have got thinking skills as well, because language is the way we transmit our wisdom, our thought inside our neurons, and then to share with others. That is the magic of language. So if you think that AI can replace human being, and then it's very, very naive and very, very far too simple, because it's not original. It's not the human being's thoughts. So that's why it's cold. It do not have any substance. And you know what? We also test that sometimes AI give you some wrong answer. And then if you further prompt it, check GDP or some others, and then they will say sorry. So that is the thing. And also that AI has got a time lag for about 1.5 years, because the information lag is another problem of AI. So that's why AI definitely cannot replace our human thought, because we have got our feeling, we have our values, and also we have our unique and original thoughts. That is the beauty of our brain. So if you think, or people think, that AI can perform that role, that means in the future you want to be controlled, or you want to be manipulated by the machine. Do you? No, because AI is generated by human beings. You control AI. You control the machine learning, right? You are not going to be manipulated or controlled because that is our wisdom. So that's why thank you so much for organizing this ASA competition. Again, it is a valuable experience for all of us to have some very, very good occasion to think, to have deep thinking, to clarify our values, and also to generate our unique, original ideas. That is also the new concept or perspective for a better future. So that's why today I need to congratulate all of you because you are eager to step forward, okay, to have your original thoughts and your creative ideas and your innovative ideas and your unique perspective and also very, very good opinion to contribute to a better mankind. So again, thank you so much for being so proactive in this competition, and also thank you so much for inviting me for this interesting and wonderful experience. And I would like to congratulate all the winners of this competition, and in the journey is just the start, because the journey of language, communication, essay, thinking, contribution, exchanging, is so meaningful. We need to keep this momentum. Especially I'm from Hong Kong, in an international city, and then we interact with a lot of people around the world. Language, is the key success. So that's why this essay also provide very good opportunities for us to go to the outside world to share. So again, thank you so much for this wonderful experience and also competition and wonderful ceremony to celebrate this joy of language. Thank you very much.